Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the general management. Then let's scroll down again to localize this reset option. And as you can see in this device, we've got the network settings divided into two different categories. So we've got the mobile network settings and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So it's up to you which option you want to reset. I will reset both. So let's start with mobile settings. Simply tap on it and tap on reset settings. If you've got the pattern, PIN or password, you have to enter it. And of course, here we've got the information that this option cannot be undone and you might not be able to connect to your mobile network anymore. So be aware about that. And then tap on reset. We've got this information, everything went fine. Perfect. Now Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the same situation, just tap on it. We've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone, so that's okay. Reset settings, and as you can see, the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings have been reset successfully also. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.